How to get a Japanese display name on Roblox. So to start, what you need to do is to open first your Roblox account, and then in here we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this More option. After that, tap on Settings, and then in here we'll have to go on this Account Information. Under here, you will now see this option Display Name. What we need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the pencil icon. After that, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Google Translate. In here, you'll have to select English and then Japanese. So in here, you will have to type your name, and then on the right part, it will automatically translate your name to a Japanese name. After that, we'll have to highlight this one to copy this Japanese name. After that, we'll have to go back on our Roblox account, and then in here, we'll have to paste that Japanese name. In here, you have to keep in mind that you can only change your display name once every 7 days. After that, we'll have to tap on the Save option, and then in here, as you can see, it automatically changed my display name. So that's how easy we can get a Japanese display name on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.